Introducing the Hybrid Solutions Scratch Repair Kit.
When thinking of restoration, I'm thinking time-consuming, expensive, but we're gonna make that easier for you.
We're out here in Malibu today. Turtle Wax was kind enough to take care of some of the scratches on my Jeep.
So the condition of the car's paint when we got here is actually really good, but it does have some isolated scratches that need a little bit of attention to really bring the level up. One of the most common elements of restoration is actually removing scratches. And the great thing about the scratch repair kit is that it has a compound to kind of level off around the edges of the scratches, if you will. And then it has the wipe on clear coat that really fills in and blends in the rest of the scratch to completely remove it. So one of the great things about the scratch repair kit is there's no tools required. It's all done by hand. So the compound, the clear coat, everything you need is actually built into the kit itself.
I always felt like it'd be a disservice if I didn't actually use these cars, to their full potential. And so I've actually had the opportunity to take it off road. But a big concern was that I was gonna bang it up, get some scratches. I have to say, knowing that there's products out there that I can come home and doctor it up myself and make things anew, without having to spend, a fortune on a full detail, makes me feel really comfortable actually using it. I mean, I've always been under the impression that this takes hours and hours of work, it's super laborious, and it's not that the guys weren't working, but it definitely seemed like something I could do.